Hey everybody, Bob Trade Genius, the 7th of November, the end of the day. I want to show you something, just one chart. It won't be a long video today. I'll do some more stuff overnight again. But this is looking a lot like a Sornette wave. And you guys can look it up on your own. But we came down here and it's accelerating into a top here. So what caught my attention, the reason why I did the video is I was just looking, because it feels like it's, market's up every day, and of course it has been, but look at this. It topped out here. The high was 3083.75, and then you look here, the top was 3085.75. This was a little bit of a pullback, and then today the high, not the high, but the close was 3085.75. And so I think things are starting to reject here, and you're starting to see some really steepness here. This is these moving averages are just like are just almost going vertical at this point. The linear regression on this is for the index, is at 0.74, so it's in a hefty move higher, and so yeah, and the put call ratio is in the tank. So I don't know, I'm not definitely calling the top, but we're definitely in rare air here. I mean, ideally for this thing to blow apart, I'd love for it to get up here, 2 standard deviations, 31.25 or so, and then have this whole thing retrace this whole move back to 2900. And that's a lot of times what happens when you get these moves like this. They just lose, and they crumble and they crash. And money flow here is starting to weaken a little bit. I like these divergences. So this is the average, and average is making a lower high. At the same time, price is moving higher, and this is whenever these things cross over 80. So that's why you're seeing it here. It gives me a roadmap to look, and but all the action's overnight. So today was very little movement during the day, and other than to just keep rescuing the stock, so or the index, I should say. They beat up gold and silver pretty hard today, and not surprised, because the 10-year, but the 10-year was starting to get bid here toward the end of the day. This is the daily, but look at that inverted hammer here on this too. So we're getting to a point where you can't really push this up too high before it blows up the apple cart, because of just the level of debt, and then this thing will come crashing down along with the market. So anyway, just some food for thought. We added some positions today, actually, I lied to you. I'm going to talk to you more than I thought it was. But we bought FSM yesterday, and it actually had a follow through, which was amazing with what's going on in gold and silver. I think it's a nice rounded bottom here on it, and then we also bought an energy name. And right here it's slightly positive where we are, but it looks good too. It's like this breakout here. It looks like it may push up higher. And then we got stopped out of SAL, but with a little bit of profit, and we're in DO, and it's slightly down from where we bought it. But I think what's going on in the energy sector and with natural gas, I think we're going to get some really nice moves out of some of these servicing companies and drillers. And there was one I was following. I never took the shot on. I'm kind of annoyed at myself because it just kept moving up higher, and I was just afraid to chase it. And like an idiot, it just kept going up. That's what happens when I do chase it. It'll roll over. But this thing looked really nice. It just came out of just a beautiful move here. So in the future, I'm just going to jump on it and take it. So anyway. At this point, it's really hard to look too far into the future because of everything sloshing around with all these derivatives. So, we'll see what happens here. But I'll do something early in the morning again before the market opens. I plan on playing futures again. Seems like the only time to really make any decent leverage money is overnight, and that's where I'll be. So I'll catch you guys later. If you want to trade with us, tradelikeagenius.com. And even if you want to play futures, there's a way to play futures without getting a futures account. You could use the Nadex touch brackets. Pretty cool. My partner Phil does Forex trades in Nadex. Pretty cool. And you can actually trade cryptocurrency, the GPTC, on the equity side too. So you can do everything kind of inside the shop here. And we trade it all. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.